Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm gonna show you how to log into your Telegram on your mobile web. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is go ahead and tap open a web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the top of the screen and tap on the search box and type in web.telegram.org and search. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the signing page of Telegram Web. Choose your country in the first text field, and once you do that, go ahead and type in your phone number in the next. After you do that, tap on the next button at the upper right corner and confirm that the number is correct in the pop-up by tapping on OK. Wait for a few seconds, and on the next page, you'll receive a code to your mobile number. Wait until the code arrives, and after it does, enter your code that you'll be taken to your next page. If you want to allow Telegram to send you notifications, tap on the Allow button. If not, tap on the Block, and there you go. That is how you can log into Telegram on your mobile web browser. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.